Meet Anna, a 32-year-old whose daily routine was once defined by fast food and growing health concerns. When a prediabetes diagnosis jolted her to reality, she knew it was time for change. Her doctor's proposal? The ketogenic diet. Initially baffled and a bit overwhelmed, Anna plunged into research, fervently decoding the science of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. She learned that by significantly cutting down on carbs, she could potentially reverse her troubling symptoms and reclaim her health. This was the beginning of Anna's transformative journey towards wellness. Anna, armed with newfound determination and a pantry freshly purged of temptations, embarked on a transformative journey. Waving goodbye to her beloved sugary snacks and high-carb treats, she turned grocery shopping into an exciting quest for keto-friendly treasures. Despite the challenges of keto flu and the yearning for her old comfort foods, Anna's spirits were buoyed by the support of her friend Liz, who was navigating her own keto path. Together, they explored this new dietary landscape, motivated by each other's company and the promise of healthier lives ahead. As time progressed, Anna's culinary world blossomed with creativity. Transforming simple ingredients into exquisite keto masterpieces, she discovered a passion for cooking that she never knew she had. Eggs and avocados, along with other basic ingredients, became the stars of her kitchen experiments. Her Instagram feed, filled with vibrant photos and the stories of her dietary transformation, struck a chord with followers worldwide. Each post was more than just a meal, it was a testament to her journey, inspiring others to rethink their food choices and embrace the possibility of change through diet. A year had passed, and the transformation was undeniable. Anna felt reborn, lighter not just in weight but in spirit, with energy she hadn't felt in years. Each doctor's visit brought good news, confirming her blood sugar and health were on a steady upward climb. At local keto meetups, she became a beacon of hope, sharing her story to motivate newcomers. What started as a diet had flourished into a vibrant lifestyle, deeply rooted in wellness and sustainable health. Anna's journey was a powerful reminder that profound change often begins with a single, determined step.